Hello there, welcome back to this channel. So I have been trying to perfect my baking skills, that is both the baking, the actual cooking, and the decoration part of the cake. And today I have a special recipe for you, very simple. Sit back. Before you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe below, like this video, comment, give me ideas, give me suggestions, share this video with your family and friends, and also don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms on the handle below. Yeah, I understand most of you are at home, probably keeping distance or having your quarantine, and mostly this is time to spend with family together. So this recipe, you can use it as a family to bake your cakes and do the icing or the decoration part. It's very simple. The kids will love it, I assure you. With that, the kids will totally love it because it's fun. You can play around with the colors, you can play around with the flavors, you can play around with the consistency of the icing. So today, before that, I hope you're keeping safe. I hope you are frequently washing your hands, you are sanitizing if you don't have soap and water, you are maintaining social distance, and you are staying home if you really have to, because these are trying times, guys, and we have to really reduce the number of the cases that are going, that are spreading around. So let's jump right into this recipe. What you will need for this recipe is icing sugar. This is 1 cup of icing sugar. You will need flavors or food colors, because it is Aurelia's kitchen and we love spices, we love everything flavor, everything add-ons. So we are going to use flavor. This is mango flavor, this is strawberry flavor, and these flavors are also going to give the icing some color. So instead of just using food color, you can add flavor to it. So this is green apple, this is blueberry, and this is orange, which you're going to make the main cake that you're going to ice. This is milk, which you're going to add in the icing sugar. So, and we have our cake. We bake this cake at 100 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. And we also have some cookies which we also baked, and we're also going to ice them. So sit back and enjoy. So the first thing you have to do is mix in the milk in the food color or the flavoring, then gradually add it to the icing sugar. I say gradually because you have to add little by little, because if you add all at once, it may become too runny and hence spoil your icing sugar. Remember, you don't want a very runny icing sugar. You just want a consistency which will dry up really fast, and it will form a layer, an icing layer, that when you bite, you can be able to feel the ice. Something of this sort. However, don't worry if your icing turns out too runny. You can always add more sugar to make it thick and the consistency that will work out for you. All you have to do is pour your icing on the cake. Remember, you want it to coat the cake, so you have to pour it layer by layer. I made my icing a bit runny, so I had to do it in layers. But if your icing is a bit thick, you will have to only do 1 layer and it will coat perfectly. I had earlier on decided just to do the orange, but since the orange icing is a bit runny than what I expected,
I decided to do some art on it and add on the other flavors, as you will see later on. The first coating or the first layer is done, so I'm just going to go through the same process on it to just get it a thicker layer. Then later I'll put the other colors and you will see how perfect this cake will be. So for the cookies, you will go through the same process, only that you have to check the consistency of your icing. Remember, I told you if you put a thicker coating, it will dry up really fast and it will be perfect to work with. So what I did here is just layer the different colors and the different flavors that I had to form sort of a rainbow color. And as you can see, the kids will definitely enjoy this exercise. They will definitely love the colors, the flavors, and they will enjoy the whole process and appreciate the cooking. So be sure to try out this, guys. It is so simple. It will take you even less than an hour to do this, except for the baking, of course. But guys, try this out and tag me on my socials. Don't forget. You can also try out different colors, different patterns. You can play around with this icing, guys, however you like. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to try out these recipes and enjoy and stay safe, guys. Bye.